In this video, we are going to work on finding the greatest common factor. In the last video, we talked about finding factors. Okay, sometimes you're given two numbers and you need to find the common factors between them, and then you need to find the greatest common factor. So we're going to show you how to do that. Okay, we start by making a t-chart. So say we want to find the common factors and the greatest common factors between 12 and 16. We'd write them in our t-chart like that. Now we're going to go through and we're going to find the factor. All the factors of 12 and then all the factors of 16. So we're going to start with 1. We have 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4. 4 we already used, so like I showed you in your last video, we now flip and we are done. Okay, now we're going to go to 16. We have 1 times 16, 2 times 8, 3 we can't use, 3 we can't, there's nothing that we can multiply 3 by to get 16. And then we have 4 times 4, and since we've already used this 4, since this is a double, we just go ahead and flip. Because otherwise we'd go with 5 and then 6 and then 7, then we'd be back to 8 again, and it would just be flipped. Okay, so we can stop there. So now we can find our common factors, and the common factors are the ones that are in both the 12 column and the 16 column. So we've got 1 is in both. We've got 2 that's in both. Let's see, is 3 in both? Nope. So I'm going to cross that out. Is 4 in both? I always go like this so that we're going in order. So is 4 in both? Yep. It's right there. Is 6 in both? No. Is 12 in both? No. Okay, so automatically that's going to eliminate any ones over here that we didn't already circle because we already went through the whole list for 12. So the common factors would be 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, and 4 are factors for both 12 and 16. Now, we also like to find the greatest common factor. Okay, the greatest, and we often call that the GCF. And that's just the largest number, the greatest number, and that would be 4. We'll do one more example. Let's do it for 24 and 30. So we're going to start listing the factors. So we'll do 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, 4 times 6. Can we multiply 5 times anything to get 24? No. And then we're back to 6, which we've already used. So we can write flip and we stop there. Now we're going to go to 30. We have 1 times 30. 2 times 15 would give us 30. 3 times 10. Anything times 4? Nope. What about 5? Yep, 5 times 6. The next number would be 6, which we just used, so we can stop there. So we write flip. So now we're going to circle all of the common factors. Common factors are ones that are found in both the 24 column and the 30 column. So we have 1s in both. Okay. We have 2 in both. We have 3, 4, no, so we can cross out the 4. 6, yep, that's in both. 8, no. 12, no. 24, no. Okay, we don't have to go over here and check these, because if these were common factors, we would have found them over in this column too. So now we know we have 1 for the common factors. We have 1, 2, 3, and 6. Okay, and the greatest common factor the greatest number, the greatest one, the largest number is 6. Okay, and that's how you find the common factors and greatest common factors.